In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on LinkedIn so that you can then invite your connections to the event. And it could be a webinar that you're holding on Zoom or other webinar platforms. So here we are on LinkedIn in the homepage or the newsfeed, and you want to look on the left hand side and scroll down until you see events, and you'll see there's a plus. Clicking on that will open up a page for you to create your event. Put in a cover image. There you can see the dimensions, the organizer, is it online or in person. In person would be a online live, and then the event format, is it a LinkedIn live audio event, LinkedIn live video event, or is it an external link? So if you've created a registration page on your website, you then put in your time zone so that when people view it, they can check the accurate time zone for themselves and see if they're able to attend. Your start date and time, end date and time, a description, and then speakers. What you do, you just type in your name until it appears and select it, because you're obviously going to be a speaker. If there are other speakers, you can add them in the same way. You then go ahead and you create the event. Once you've created the event, this is what it is going to look like. As you can see, there's the headline, there's the image at the top, here's the link, external link for them to go register. It will show you how many people have indicated they're going to attend and who they are. And when you've just created an event that is still to come, when you open this share button, you will see there will be a link here to say invite. When you click on that, it opens up your entire list of connections on LinkedIn, and you can select who you want to invite to this event. You can send out 1,000 invitations per week. My recommendation is not to schedule your event longer than 2 weeks before the time. That allows you 2,000 invitations, and I find that works best to get the most number of attendees and registrations. I trust you found this video of value. Please check out the other videos in the playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.